Hello po, Virgo. Welcome to your reading. So this is for July the 28th to July the 31st reading. So para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate and hit the notification bell. So kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, doon po yan sa kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. And Virgo, kung gusto niyo ng mga readings, meron din tayo dun sa kabilang channel. So, kung di niyo naaabutan ang live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable po by yes or no. So Virgo, I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Magsimula na po tayo. No? Virgo. So ang nakikita ko dito, parang ipinupush ka ngayon ng gut feeling mo, no, na sinasabi sa iyo, uy, either maghinay-hinay, huwag masyadong maniwala, bobolahin ka lang yan, no, or that's too good to be true. I feel like there is some sort of like intuition downloads from you na that person cannot be trusted. These place, wag mo nang puntahan, no? Kumbaga, the force is stopping you to do so. If this is not an intuition, bakit minsan may mga instances na every time na lang na pinaplano natin pumunta doon sa isang lugar or i-meet yung person, laging merong nangyayari stopping you from doing it. No? So listen to that parang calling, no, sign. Kahit gano'n natin siya kagusto, no, parang there's actually a force, parang dinidelay itong mga pangyayari, no. So actually sometimes kasi sabi nga nila, minsan nakakainis yun no, kapag meron kang gustong ma-achieve, gustong mangyari, or gustong tao, pag hindi mo nakukuha, nakakaasar kasi it felt like a failure. Pero if we're going to look at it on a different perspective, probably if we're going to wipe the grime of the view hole and check on the other side, no, baka kasi there's really a reason why that person, event, is not meant for you, no? So sabi nga nila, when the door closes, a window open, or probably minsan the roof, no? Wag naman, open. No, ang sinasabi ko lang dito is, hindi kasi natin nakikita yung mga signs. So probably there's already writings on the walls. Are we really not seeing it, or we're keeping a blind, sabihin natin, or binubulag natin yung sarili natin. With the King of Cups, the Judgment, and the Two of Swords. So, Virgo, hindi mo masabi na parang you are rejecting the idea, you don't want them to pursue, no? Ang masaklap dito, we're letting things happen even though we're against it. Hindi natin gusto yung mga nangyayari, pero hinahayaan lang natin. Oh wow. Hindi sa takot tayong magsabi. Okay, takot tayong sabihin kasi natatakot tayong makasakit ng kapwa. That's actually very loving, considerate, pero kasi paano naman ikaw? You're letting people or the other person to control your life, if that's your motto as of the moment. Kasi someone is happy doing things to you which you don't like. So at ikaw yung nasa losing end. Buhay mo yan. Tapos yung tao, nagagawa niya yung gusto niya, masaya siya. Eh buhay mo, hindi ka masaya. Gets mo? You catch the drift. I think someone needs to really hear it, no? With the Two of Swords, parang it requires for you to say it. There's actually a lot of ways for you to say what you want to happen, especially kung including na talaga yung buhay mo. Either you wanted to say it, no, you have to say it in a nice manner, no? And I believe in you, Leo, na pwede nating iparating ang mga bagay-bagay, no, sa isang maayos na paraan. With the Knight of Pentacles and the Ten of Pentacles, probably you want to stop the person from pursuing you, or you probably have a different, um, sabihin natin, goal as of the moment. No? Parang, either person, you're not for me, or I want to pursue my career first, no? Gusto ko munang umunlad buhay ko. Gusto ko munang palaguin ang finances ko. But this relationship, nararamdaman ko na is not going to work for me, no? I knew it. So probably I can say sorry, no? Kasi at one point in time gusto ko rin naman, no, yung time na yon, pero ngayon parang it's not my priority already, and I hope that you can understand. With the King of Pentacles and the Two of Wands in reverse, so the reversal in here, the Two of Wands actually parang symbolizes fast movement, right? Or it needs to happen very soon. However, since it's reversed, parang it's stopping you from getting all your pentacles, all your abundance. So abundance may mean different things to each person. Abundance may mean money. Abundance may mean time, energy, effort. Abundance may mean love, right? Whatever that you value of, that's your abundance. Pero it felt like ang hirap kunin. So instead of parang this relationship should be an inspiration for me. It becomes a blockage as of the moment, right? With the Eight of Pentacles, the Ten of Cups, the Six of Pentacles. Alam mo, Leo, kasi siguro iniisip mo dito, baka kasi isipin niya masama akong tao for pushing this person away. Actually, ayaw mo lang talaga din sa kanya, no? Or ayaw mo na. But you're still trying, no? You're still trying. But you're not happy. Leo, the Death card, the the Five of Cups. So, wow. This is just my 2 cents on this, right? Parang nahihirapan ako din magbigay ng advice kasi it's gonna be unfair for the other person. How much are you willing to spend time to a person whom you don't love anymore? Virgo, it felt like, yun nga sabi ko kanina, si person, nag-enjoy siya kasi they're in a relationship with you. Pero ikaw hindi ka na nag-enjoy. So, at the end of the day, you're gonna be burnt out. sooner or later. Baka kasi dumating pa tayo dun sa part na para lang maitulak itong si person, no? Baka gawa tayo ng, makasabi tayo ng hindi maganda, no? Para lubayan ka. Plus the fact the time is also running. Would you consider the Five of Cups regretting pursuing your abundance? Because it felt like this relationship becomes a blockage. Um, the Five of Swords and the Tower. Um, it all boils down to you should, your happiness should be your priority. Your happiness should be your priority. I think that's more that, I mean, that's what I can say. Um, ang sakit din kasi din makasakit ng ibang tao. Lalo na if you're not born, if you're naturally not a bad person, no? Um, okay sana kung talagang walang hiya kang tao. So, parang baliwala lang. Eh, hindi eh. Knowing the fact na makakasakit ka, masakit din para sa'yo. Pero masakit din para sa'yo magstay sa isang connection na hindi ka na rin masaya. So, are you going to choose, choose the lesser evil? Yun lang ang aking 2 cents. Naku, ako yung nahihirapan sa'yo. Wala akong ayoko mapunta sa ganitong sitwasyon. Ang hirap. So, let's check. Now, my 2 cents here is your happiness should be your priority. I'm sorry, no, dun sa cross-watcher, so nyo akong i-hate. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko iti-turn because I can't. I have to be real with the cards, diba? And by the way, this is general. Can you hear me whisper your name and I miss you? For a few numbers of you, baka nagawa nyo na. No? For those people, for those of Virgos who already did, no, what they need to do, I want you to know that you are on the right path. Probably, since this is not the end of the reading per se, diba? For those of you who's in here and you want to book a personal reading, nandun po yan sa description box. Abundance. You might gonna let this abundance pass by. So let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Wow, naapektuhan ako. Sagittarius, Pisces, Scorpio, Taurus, Cancer, Virgo, baka kapwa Virgo ito, Capricorn, Leo. So, Virgo, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, subscribe po kayo dun sa kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. Now, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. And doon po sa mga gustong sumali sa live sessions, you're very much welcome. Kung hindi nyo po maabutan yung live sessions, pwede naman po dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. And Virgo, kung hindi po kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no, there, pwede kayong magtanong sa ating question form, no? Nandun po yung link sa description box. Click the link. You're gonna be routed to my website. Nandun po yung how much per question, the QR code, the name and the number for reference. Kung meron pong mga nagbe-message sa inyo, yun lang po yung reference na pwede nyong i-check, no? Pag hindi po yun, yung lumabas sa number or name, hindi po ako yun. Alright? Meron kasi tayong mga fake accounts dyan na pagala-gala. Ayan. So, kung gusto niyo rin po mag-avail ng ating discounted price na 4 questions plus 1, nandun din po sa description box. If you want to avail of the private reading, nandun din po siya sa description box. So, Virgo, this is your reading, Tuloy ang Manhunt. Nasa description box din po yung link ng dalawang accounts na fake accounts. So, report it, screenshot, send it to the designated email na nandun din po sa description box for a chance to win a private reading with me that's actually free of charge. Love and light. Namaste. See you on the next live or next reading. Goodbye.